Oh. So we are ready to start. Welcome everyone to our sections, and thank you for making the time to join us. I feel very happy and excited to see you here. If you want to know myself, I am Mabel. I am a counselor, trainer, and mediator. I am a certified trainer of Point of View Level 4 Master. I lead groups and sections, and particularly on relationship, retirement, and business development. I'm the only one representing Point of View Business Solutions in Hong Kong right now. And most important of all is that I was married for over 28 years. I am a mother and I have one daughter. We lived with our in-laws since marriage, and I live in Hong Kong. Did you know a little bit about Point of View? And Point of View actually, it was 17 years ago, and it was a very curative tools and training, and it served 30 languages and over 147 countries worldwide. And big companies like Google, Coca-Cola, and IBM, Wix, Intel, IKEA, Microsoft, they also have been the kinds of Point of View. So talking about Point of View, actually, it helps to bring a closeness with people. And it also expand different people with different perspective and able to initiate quality dialogue. And most important of all is about making a step forward in action. So we have different kinds of activities, and the culture of dialogue, the experiential learning, and the science-based needs really help to bring physical workshops and other digital workshops together. It was very flexible and it's a very sustainable learning. And most important of all is the global network of different kinds of people participating in the workshops and developments. If we talk about the Point of View, actually it have double meaning, as you know. It's talking about, from your sites, because in our site, we usually have 170 to 180 degrees in front of us, whereas we have like 180 and 190 degrees that is behind us. And those are the areas which is our blind spot. And this is where the possibilities and creativities and and growth can be developed. So in Point of View, we encourage to look into different perspective. Another thing is about the Point of View, which mostly people will agree nowadays we are very disengaged with ourselves. When we wake up in the morning, we start to look for news, Facebook, WhatsApp, and what's going around, and we move from home to work and meeting people, how are you and how are you? But this one person that we didn't really look at is how about myself? So what do I think? What do I feel? What do I doing? So this is a chance that a space for everyone to really speak for themselves and not to hold yourself back. The objectives of today will be trying to connect people with an open heart and bring together open dialogue with activities. And you will have an experience of the click, which is business solutions. So our time will be 90 minutes. It will be 3 sections. We will have a pause, and then we have a space for transformation to really experience the game. And most important of all, it's about stepping up and making a visions for the next step ahead. Before we start, we need to welcome everyone to really speak up in this environment. but in order to make us speak comfortably. So something that we need to respect. And first of all, I will encourage you to be on time, fully present here and now. Forget about, what's you doing, and what are you going to do next. And what we share here, we stay here. It's a kind of respect. So not just in the sections, and be aware that when you have photos of others, people working together, you have to ask for permissions when you're doing on the Facebook and social media. Everyone have different pace. Some can really open up easily. Some will feel, oh, I'm so embarrassed. I feel shy. I feel scared, and I don't want to share. Be gentle to yourself. Everyone have their own choice, and you just hold on and minimize the distractions and be with us. We speak from I statement. You speak for yourself. So how do you feel? It's not about a general statement about what we should do, what they should do. It's about tell us what you want. So we start with the I statement. So is everybody clear about it? And anything else to add? Okay, that's great. So if you don't have anything to add, can you raise your hand? Put your hands up. Wonderful. Thank you. Next, we will quickly move into the click kits, which is a very powerful tool for persons or teams, managers, and they can have different perspective what they are doing with the photo card and the coaching questions. And all the journal stickers and the pencil is all inclusive. You will have it in in a minute and start to experience. So now this is a great time because this is talking about pause. In point of view, the pause is very important because it really stops us for doing what we have been doing and trying to be focused and be grounded. In a minute, we will have 4 minutes music break, so try to connect yourself. And if you like, you can close your eyes and make sure your hands and legs are comfortably. You can, find a place to sit on it and lean on it. Just follow the music and let the music bring you. There's nothing about, what you should do. And some people may be tired and they fell asleep, so it's okay. So this is your choice. This is your body is speaking to you. There's no comparison and there's no judgment at all. No, we're going to play for the music. You are free to close your eyes and be with the music and enjoy. Thank you for being in the course to be with yourself. Just want to check in during the music who enjoy the music. Raise your hand. Who don't feel the music is your taste? Raise your hand. Do you think the music is a bit too loud? Raise your hand. Do you think the music is just right? Raise your hand. Do you want the music to go a little bit longer? Raise your hand. Now you can see that with people in the meetings, people have different kind of preference, just like what we do. Whatever we look into some situations. We have different kinds of perspective, whether you like it or you don't like it. I will welcome you to take these little moments to really dive in and experience what you experience. You may be happy about it, fear about it, angry about it, sad about it, or joyful about it. Just no judgments. I welcome you to follow the next steps and take your initiative and be yourself and take a little difference and stay out of your comfort zone and experience. Maybe some of you is afraid to speak up in front, and I would encourage you to really speak out. So let's enjoy and let's play.